guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Black Friday sale. So on this day almost every brand sells some of their products on heavy discount, and that is why we are going out. We are going to Eaton Center to do some shopping, but there is just one problem. It's already end of day. It's 6 p.m. and I am pretty sure all of the good products must have gone by now, but I am still going there and taking a chance because I really need one lightweight winter jacket. I mean, I already have winter jacket, but that's heavy and that is for very cold temperature like minus 25, 21. So I'm going to Eaton Center with zero expectations. So let's quickly go and see if we can buy something on this Black Friday sale. So guys, we have reached Zara and there is a huge lineup and Harsh is waiting with me. Harsh, having fun? This is too crowded, guys. You like this thing?
45K, 99, 50 को लेगा.
Expensive. So guys, all the girls are in panic कि अच्छी चीज मिस ना हो जाए और हर्ष को बहुत नींद आ रही है. Look at the huge lineup, guys. So guys, we are done with our shopping. So we are going to Bath and Body to buy some candles, and the store is going to close at 8 p.m. So guys, we didn't go to Bath and Body Works. Actually, I was planning to buy candles, but there was a huge lineup and we came so late. And also, we are hungry. Harsh, are you hungry? So that's why we changed our mind and now we are going to food court. So guys, there is a place known as Cheese Garden here in Eaton Center, and I have heard that that's very popular for cheesecake. So we are going there to take one.
Okay. So please keep in the freezer.
Okay.
And then leave it outside for 50 to 10 minutes before eating.
Okay.
So guys, our shopping is done and now we are here in the food court, and this mall is so crowded. Oh my god, I mean I haven't expected कि इतनी भीड़ होगी, but बहुत ज़्यादा crowded है आज तो. So guys, we couldn't control ourselves and now we are going to have our cheesecake. Yay. Yum! Oh my god, look at ourselves. We both have gained so much weight and we are still having such fatty things. This is so tempting. Wow. So guys, this cheesecake is so yum. If you are coming here, Eaton Center, go and try this. And the flavor which we took today was original double fromage. So go and try this one. We also wanted to go to H&M home section, but we came so late, it got closed. So we saved our money. So let me tell you one interesting fact about this Christmas tree. So this is Canada's largest Christmas tree, proudly standing 108 feet in the air. So don't miss to visit this mall in this holiday season. Look at the decoration in this mall. Look at the size of the reindeer. So guys, this is my first vlog of winter season and I really hope that you all are liking this video so far, and I just wanted to give you an update about my previous videos. So I know there are a lot of travel vlogs pending and I'm really working hard to publish one video every week, so stay tuned for all those videos. We're done with our shopping and food and now we are heading back to our home. Then I'm gonna show you what we bought from Zara. We're back home and the mall, which you have already seen in this video, it was totally packed with people. Everybody was buying so much. There were long queues outside all the stores. So it's time for a quick and short Zara haul. So I was looking for a lightweight jacket and fortunately I got this puffer jacket. I hope you guys can see. So this is what I got. So there is just one thing, that I cannot wear this jacket in extreme cold weather here, but I can wear this in early winter, which is the season right now, and I'm really looking forward to wear this jacket. So guys, the next piece is this cute knit top. I love the combination of this top, which is pink and orange, and especially I am a big fan of this full sleeve dresses. That's why I keep on buying full sleeve top and dresses. I think it will go nice with white jeans or blue jeans, so I'll figure that out later. And the last piece is also a cute little knit top, so I'm gonna wear this inside a jacket in winter season. I really love this chocolate color. So but honestly speaking, I didn't find this sale very much useful because most of the new pattern, fresh stock, they were all on regular prices. They were not on discount. So they were just trying to get rid of old stock and summer clothes through this Black Friday sale. So why don't you guys share with me that what you all have bought in this Black Friday sale? It will be really fun to know your answers. That's it for today's video, and it was really nice to visit that mall because it was decorated so beautiful. And also guys, this video is my first vlog of winter season and I really hope that you all will like it. So guys, stay tuned for my upcoming videos and I will see you all next week. Till then, take care everyone. Bye. So guys, the vlog is not over yet. So I had ordered 2 tripods for my camera and phone on this Black Friday sale from Amazon, which I received today. So I thought let's do the unboxing. But before that, let me show you the view outside. It's the first snowfall of winter 2021. The CN Tower is almost gone. Let's do the unboxing. This is the tripod we got. We can use this with our phone or mirrorless camera, and the good thing about this tripod is we can bend the legs. Do you see this? We can put our camera and just put on the floor like this. So this is how it looks. It can take weight up to 4.5 kg, which is definitely more than enough. So I am really excited to use this new tripod. This is also another tripod. So you guys must be thinking why I have ordered 2 tripods. So this one is fixed leg tripod and we can extend the height up to 5.5 feet. Flexible tripod. It's a big one.
Heavy, right?
Yeah, it's heavy. So we are going to read the manual first and then we are gonna do any experiment with this tripod. So guys, I'm really excited to use both the tripods, especially this one because it will definitely help us to shoot content when we are shooting something at our home. That's it for this unboxing video. I'm gonna go read the manual and see how we are gonna use both the tripods. I'll see you all next week. Bye.